Welcome to our tutorial on the when operation in IBM I. Today, we'll explore how the when operation code program flow based on conditional expressions. In this example, we have a simple program written in RPGLE. Let's break it down step by step. Firstly, we declare several variables, s and k as packed decimals, x dsbly for displaying messages, and error for error handling. We then enter a for loop where k iterates from 1 to 6. Select statement displayed. Within the loop, we use the select statement, which evaluates different conditions using the when keyword. When k equals 1, the program performs summation, displaying the result. When k equals 2, subtraction is performed, and the result is displayed. When k equals 3, multiplication is performed, and its result displayed. When k equals 4, division is performed, and its result displayed. If k does not match any of these conditions, the other clause executes, displaying a message indicating no operation is to be performed. Finally, the end for statement marks the end of the loop, and INLR equals on ends the program. Let's see the output of this program based on different values of k. As you can see, for k values from 1 to 4, the program executes different operations based on the when conditions. When k is not within this range, the program simply displays a message indicating no operation. That concludes our overview of the when operation in IBM I. It's a powerful tool for controlling program flow based on conditions. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on the when opcode in IBM RPGLE by programmers.io. We hope you found it informative and useful for your programming tasks. If you have any questions or would like to explore more RPGLE topics, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IBM I programming insights. Happy coding!